You know, for every, what is it in physics? For every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction. We need to learn that. What we do will affect the way others act or what they do in many instances. Now, I've learned I can't change anybody but me. And I've learned to change me. I am learning to change who I am and what I am, being more self aware of myself because I understand what I do affects the actions of others. I'll give you, for instance, here. A lot of times people walk in my office as a pastor, and this has been for many years. Not, I've in these two calls that I have had, I've had people walk in, and they may be dealing with some very serious things. I've had people call me and say, I'm going to kill myself. Well, if I start running around panicking, that doesn't help the situation. I have to keep myself in check so that I can help this person. When you do counseling, you learn no matter what the person does or what the person says to keep a calm demeanor. Now, this is a little bit hyperbole, but you could almost walk into my office with a severed head and a bloody knife and say, I've just axe murdered 25 people. And instead of me going, and jumping up and down, trying to head for the door, which is probably what I would do and what you should do at that point, I'd probably say, let's unpack that. Let's talk about this a little bit before I try to get a hold of the police department or something. It's a little hyperbole, but the thing is, it does me no good to get all out of sorts, all out of whack. The way we do things, if we keep ourselves calm, if we handle ourselves in the right way, we can change the demeanor of what happens in other places. I want to give you an example of something that I read in the book, The Emotional Intelligence of Jesus. And it really affected me a great deal. There's a story told about a platoon leader who is in Iraq. He has his group of soldiers going to see an imam, to talk to the imam. He's the head teacher in the town, and if you can talk with that person, then you can calm things down, and things can go a little easier for everybody. These guys are loaded for bear, and they're coming into this town. Well, people see them coming, and they understand they're coming to talk to the imam, but they think they're coming to kill the imam. So these people go berserk. These people go bananas. They love their imam. They care for the person. So they pick up what they have, sticks, rocks, and they're getting ready. This mob's getting ready to attack. This could have went very badly. Well, this platoon leader uses great emotional intelligence and understands that he could affect this situation for the worst or for the best. So he gives an order. His first order is this. He tells all of his soldiers, he says, I want you to smile. Now, I was a soldier. I was never told to smile. In fact, I was told not to smile. But he told them to smile. And guess what? That de-escalated things a little bit. He then told them, he said, point your weapons to the ground. This de-escalated the situation even more. And then he told them finally, he said, everybody take a knee. And they did. And guess what? It totally de-escalated the situation. These guys could have killed hundreds of innocent civilians. Now imagine what that would have done. That would have been a horrible, horrible situation. Or many of these soldiers could have been hurt by this angry mob. But this guy used his common sense and de-escalated the situation in a way that he was able to change what could have been a very, very horrible situation.